Right, how we doing, folks? This will be today will be first day of square baling for the season. As you see, we've got the 3300 all ready to rock. This is the first and will be the last time you ever see it this clean, because it's obviously still brand new at the minute. Haven't seen any grass or straw yet. It's all strung up. I just filled her up with string at the minute. And this is this is a Claas quadrant 3300, so it's a 90 centimetre deep chamber, obviously on single axle, which does actually, there is one plus of the single axle, it does give you excellent access to the knotters in here for restringing and that. So yeah, there is a good plus there. There's a variable pre-stuffer on it. You got hydraulic fan on the front. You got twin crop roller press wheels on the front, and you got a full width intake auger on it. Then you got the a star intake there to put it up into the pre-chamber. Quite a wide pickup on it. Yeah, we've got auto lube on it. Hydraulic fans on top. Just quickly show you up top there. You got auto, well, not auto eject, you got Baler eject on it. Has got a moisture meter on it, but these are renowned for not being the most accurate of a moisture meter. Oh, there we go. Here's the knotters, Claas's own knotters, single tie. Got hydraulic blower knotter fans there. Does give you good access, this baler, and hopefully she'll be nice and reliable. We'll see how we get on. Like I say, we've got a bit of our own grass to get it set up on today. We've also got the here's a combine. We've also got the square Baler wrapper to get sorted out as well. Well, not get sorted out, but make sure everything runs alright on it and everything. That's what we got the other day. Mchale 998. It's not a new one, but never used one of these. The only one I've ever used before is the the round ones around the other side. Is the 991 round barrel wrapper. So this is a big old lump. This is comes with the same power pack, so it's PTO driven. Twin satellite arms on it. So we'll see how this thing works. Hopefully it'll work fine. And we'll be doing some round barrel silage. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for the videos to come. Ta-ta!